virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Today, let us learn something new in maths of standard first. The topic is less, more. Dear children, here you can see two boys having ice cream cones, isn't it? Here one boy is showing that he has more ice cream cones than the other one. Children, today let us learn about the meaning of less and what is the meaning of more. Okay? Here you can see balloons, isn't it? You can see the bunches of balloons. Each bunch has so many balloons. This is the first bunch. Here you can see different colored many balloons. In the second also we can see different colored balloons. Yes, dear children, which one has many balloons compared to other one? Yes, very good. This first one has more balloons. This is a big bunch, right? Compared to this one. So this is a small bunch of balloon. Dear children, here you have to understand the meaning of more and less. More means here many. Okay. Less means few. Okay. You know the numbers, right? 1 to 9 and you know about 0 also. Correct? Here more balloons are there and here less balloons. Here we can count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here only 8 balloons we can find. But here in the first bunch you can see more balloons. They are more than 8. Isn't it? So this is more. A big bunch, and this is less, that is small one. Some more examples we will go through. Here you can see beautiful marbles of different colors, isn't it? Here also we can see them in two groups. This is first group and this is the second one, right? This group has less marbles, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Less marbles. And this group has many marbles, right? That is nothing but more, right? This is more compared to this first group. Okay? First group has less marbles and the second group has more marbles. Got this? Here you can see lollipops. Here you know the countings. Let us count the lollipops in both the groups. Okay? In the first one, yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? There are 4 lollipops. And in the second group, 1, 2. Only 2 lollipops are there. Come on, children, tell me which group has more lollipops and which one has less lollipops. Yes, very good. Here you can see more. And 4 is more than 2, isn't it? So here this group has more lollipops and this group has less lollipops. I hope you understood the meaning of more, that is M-O-R-E, more, and less, L-E-S-S, less means कम. More means ज़्यादा, बहुत सारे. Okay? Yes, here this emoji is showing more. It is spreading its hands and it is showing there is more. And this emoji it is telling this is less. Very less, only 2 lollipops. Right? Color the box under picture having more children. Here also we can see 2 groups of children. This is first group and this is second group. Right? 2 groups we can see, and in each group there are some children. In the first group we can count only here 1, 2 and 3. 3 children. And in the second group there are many children. Isn't it? The question is color the box under picture having more children. Yes, you know now what is the meaning of more. More means बहुत सारे. Right? So, which group has more children? Yes, very good. The second group has more children. So, let us color the box under the second group to show more children. Right? Now here, color the box below the picture having less boards. Once again, read the question. Color the box below the picture having less boards. See, less means कम. Okay? Less means थोड़े, कम. Okay? Now here in the first group we can see more boards, right? Compared to the second group. In this group we can count here 1, 2 and 3. 3 boards, and in the first group there are more than 3 boards. Right? So we have to color the box below the group having less boards. So we will color the second group box. Correct? Because this group is having less boards. Next, wow, here we can see birds. Right? Again, color the box below the picture having more birds. More, बहुत सारे, ज़्यादा. Okay. Now, in the first group, there are more birds. We can see through our eyes that the first group has more birds compared to second group. Correct? Because in the second group there are only and only 3 birds we can see. So, children, we will color the box under the first picture. Isn't it? Here, 1-to-1 pairing. जोड़ी बनाना. 1-to-1 pairing. We will do here. See, dear children, again here birds are there. Okay, let us pair the birds in group A and group B. Here name is given to the group, that is group A, first one, group B, the second one. Okay, we will make a box for this, for B group also. Okay, now it is very easy to pair the birds. See here, first bird, we will take this. We will pair this bird with this bird in the B group. Okay. We will take this bird and this bird from the B group. So we will make the pair of these two birds by using the line. Okay, one is over, one pair we got. Second pair we will make, see this bird and this bird. This is called pairing. Okay, third pair, see these two. Got this? Here we made the pairing of birds from group A to group B. Dear children, here we can see no more birds in B group. But here in the A group we can see some birds. They remain without the pair. Isn't it? So we can say that group A is bigger because it has so many birds. And in the B group there are no more birds. Right? Whatever the 3 birds, they paired with the group A 3 birds. Isn't it? So, which is the more one? Group A has more birds. So, we will color this box. Got this, children? Yes. Here what we did? We made pairing. 1-to-1 pairing. Right? One more example. 1-to-1 pairing. Here we can see the boats. Again 2 groups. Let us pair the boats in group A and group B. We will write here group A and group B. We will keep them in the box separately so that it will become very easy to make pairing. Okay. Now we will use lines to pair 1-to-1 boats. Okay. See here, first one. Yes, this boat paired with the boat in B group. The second boat with this boat. Can you see here the line? This is the third pair and this is the fourth pair. Can you see any more boats in group A? No. All boats over. They got the pairing with the boats in the B group. But in B group, one boat is more. It remains. It has no pairing. Right? That means group B has more boats. Group B is bigger than group A. Got this, children? Here we can write like this. Pairing helps to decide more or less. Isn't it? By the help of 1-to-1 pairing, we can decide which group has more objects and which group has less objects. Correct? Observe each box and circle the more objects. Remember here we have to circle the more objects from each box. Here we can see 4 boxes with different types of animals and insects. We have to compare the animals or the insects, or you can see the objects in each box. Okay, let's begin. Here in the first box we can see 3 squirrels and some ducks. Which are more, squirrels or ducks? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Ducks are more in number compared to squirrels. So we will circle these ducks. Right? We'll move to the second box. Here we can see penguins and cats. Right? We can say easily here, penguins are more than cats. Right? Because we know counting. We know the numbers. Isn't it? So we will circle penguins. Next, we'll move to this box. It has some snails and some butterflies. Which are more here? Snails or butterflies? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Snails are more in number than butterflies. So, we will circle snails. Right? Next box. Here we can see fishes and birds. Right? And yes, absolutely you are right. Birds are more than fishes. Correct? Because we know the counting here also. We can see here 2 fish and 4 birds. So, birds are more and fishes are less. Right? Yes, here we have completed our activity of circling the more number of objects. Correct? Here, observe each box and circle the more objects. Yes, dear children, this is activity for you. Here you can see apples in 2 groups, ants in 2 groups, and here the stones in 2 groups. What you have to do? You have to circle the more objects. How we did just now. Correct? One more. Observe each box and circle the less objects. Remember, dear children, here in the upper line you have to circle for more objects, and in the below line you have to circle for less objects. Here also you can see balls and some containers in 2 groups. We used to put pepper powder, salt, etc. in these small containers, isn't it? And here also you can see caps in 2 groups. You have to circle the objects which have less objects. Okay, less means thoda, कम. One more activity for you. Observe each set and circle the one which has less objects. Remember, here you have to circle the objects or the set which has less objects. Okay, first one, here you have to compare the trees. 2 groups you can see. Next you can see capsicums in 2 groups, and then you can see wristwatches 2 groups, and at last you can see the flowered plants in 2 groups. Right? You have to observe them carefully, and you have to circle the set which has less objects. This is also activity for you. Please try to do both the activities. Thank you, dear children. Children, in your home also you can see so many objects. Try to make them a group of more and a group of less, and show it to your parents. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.